Hello friends, myself Dr. Makaran Mohanrao Aitode. I am working as Assistant Professor in Department of Botany at Sharat Chandra Pawar Mahavidyalaya, Lonal. So today's topic of our discussion is general characters of 7 divisions with examples as per G.M. Smith. So our first division is division Chlorophyta. These algae are commonly known as green algae. Majority of them are marine while others are found in fresh water. Most of the freshwater species are microscopic organisms while many of the marine species are large and macroscopically recognizable. The important photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. The starch is reserve food material. The motile reproductive cells are either 2 or 4 flagellate. The flagella are present on anterior end. They are whiplash type and in equal length. It consists of two classes, that is class Chlorophyceae. They are also known as grass green algae, and its example is Udogonium and Spirogyra. Then our next class is Carophyceae, which is also known as stonewort, and examples of this class are Nightella and Cara. So this is about general account of division Chlorophyta. Then next division is division Euglenophyta. These are commonly known as green flagellates. It includes both freshwater and terrestrial forms. The important photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and beta carotene. The paraamylum and lipids are reserve food material in these algae. The motile reproductive cells are with 1, 2, or 3 flagella which are inserted anteriorly. It consists of single class, that is class Euglenophyceae, and examples are Euglena and Calaceum. Then third division is division Parophyta. These algae includes mainly unicellular form, but some are colonial forms also. Their cell wall is cellulosic. The important photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta carotene, and xanthophyll. The starch and oil is reserve food material. The motile reproductive cells are biflagellate. The flagella are dissimilar in form, position, as well as their motion. The sexual reproduction is very rare. It consists of two classes, that is class Desmophyceae. The example of this class is Exuviella, and class Dinophyceae. The example is Dinophyces. Then our next division is division Chrysophyta. These algae are commonly known as yellow-green algae. It includes both fresh and marine forms. About 25% of them are marine and remaining 75% are freshwater forms. All the members, the cell wall is silicified. In some members, this character is found, for example, diatoms. The important photosynthetic pigments are carotene, xanthophyll, and chlorophyll A. The oil and leucozins are a reserve food material. The asexual reproduction may be by means of production of zoospore or aplanospores. The motile reproductive cells are either uni or biflagellate. It consists of three classes, namely Chrysophyceae, for example, Chromoluna, then class Xanthophyceae, for example, Walkeria, and class Bacillariophyceae, for example, Pinularia. Then our fifth division is division Phaeophyta. These algae are commonly known as brown algae. Mostly it includes marine forms. The thallus of Phaeophyta members are multicellular and with definite macroscopic form. The cell wall is cellulosic with fucinic and alginic acid. The important photosynthetic pigments are phycophene, fucoxanthin, and chlorophyll A. Due to fucoxanthin, the algae possesses brown color. The laminarin and mannitol is reserve food material. The motile reproductive cells are pyriform with two equal laterally inserted flagella and one of them is tin cell type. It consists of three classes, namely isogeneity, for example, Ectocarpus, then heterogeneity, for example, Laminaria, and cyclospory, for example, Sargassum. Then sixth division is division Cyanophyta. These are commonly known as blue-green algae. It includes prokaryotic freshwater forms. In some members, they are free living while few are in symbiotic association. This is unique group because they possesses prokaryotic cells. The important photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, phycocyanin, and phycoerythrin. The cyanophycin starch is reserve food material in these algae. The sexual reproduction is totally absent, while asexual reproduction is by fragmentation or by formation of hormogonia and akinetes. The motile reproductive cells are absent. It consists of single class, that is class Cyanophyceae, and examples are Nostoc and Anabina. The last division, that is Rhodophyta. These algae are commonly known as red alga. It includes both freshwater and marine forms. Most of them are marine. The plant body is non-motile with complex forms. The important photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll and phycoerythrin. Due to pigment phycoerythrin, these algae are red in color. The floridin starch is a reserve food material in these algae. The motile cells are without flagella. The sexual reproduction is oogamous type. It consists of one class, that is class Rhodophyceae, for example, Batrachospermum. I hope with the help of this presentation, you have understood general characters of each division proposed by G.M. Smith. Thank you for listening me patiently.